Ryobi introduces the 18V ONE+6 tool combo kit with drill, driver, impact driver, reciprocating saw, circular saw, multi-tool, work light, 5Ah battery, 4.0Ah battery, 18V charger, and bag. The drill, driver has a 1/2 in heavy-duty single-sleeve keyless chuck with a 24-position clutch to match your drilling and driving needs. The impact driver features a variable speed trigger and 1,800 inches per pound of torque for control and power when driving long and large screws or bolts. The reciprocating saw includes a variable speed trigger to provide more control while cutting a variety of materials. The circular saw has a front pommel handle for two-handed operation and a left side blade for better cutline visibility. The multi-tool features a lock-on button and variable speed dial for superior ergonomics and reduced fatigue. The work light features an ergonomic design and 160 lumens of light output. The 1.5Ah and 4.0Ah batteries feature lithium-ion cells for longer overall life. The 18V charger is compatible with all ONE+ Lithium-Ion batteries. Best of all, this kit is part of the Ryobi ONE+, world's largest 18V tool system. The 18V ONE+6 tool combo kit includes a drill, driver with screwdriver bit, an impact driver with a bit, a reciprocating saw with blade, a circular saw with a blade, a multi-tool with accessories, a work light, 1.5Ah, and a 4.0Ah battery, an 18V charger, a tool bag, and operator's manuals. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Drill, driver. 24-position clutch and 2-speed gearbox. 0 to 450 RPM and 0 1750 RPM, to match your drilling and driving needs. Impact driver. Delivers up to 1,800 inches per pound of torque and 3,200 IPM, impacts per minute, for the most demanding applications. Number 2. Reciprocating saw. 1-inch stroke length and 3,400 SPM, strokes per minute, for up to 60% faster cutting, versus P514. Number 3. Circular saw. Compact design for better handling and front pommel handle for two-handed operation. Multi-tool. Variable speed dial achieves 10,000 to 20,000 OPM for optimal control. Number 4. Work light. Produces 160 lumens of light output. Batteries. Easily snaps into place and detaches with quick-release easy-access latches. Charger. Compatible with Ryobi 18V ONE+ Lithium-Ion batteries. Part of the Ryobi ONE+, world's largest 18V tool system. Number 5. Includes ONE P1819 18V ONE+Drill driver with a bit. ONE P235A 18V ONE+ impact driver with bit. ONE P519 18V ONE+ reciprocating saw with a blade. ONE P505 18V ONE+ circular saw with blade and blade wrench. ONE P343 18V ONE+ multi-tool. ONE P705 18V ONE+ work light. ONE P189 18V ONE+ 1.5Ah battery. ONE P197 18V ONE+ 4.0Ah high-capacity battery. ONE P118B 18V ONE+ charger. ONE bag, and operator's manuals. And so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.